Grayscale and Coinbase insolvency risk, and Zhao deleted tweets. Here is everything you need to know. Are Grayscale and Coinbase insolvent? Will BTC go below $10,000 if Grayscale and Coinbase collapse? Watch the video till the end to find out. Hello, and welcome back to another interesting video. In this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about the rumors of Coinbase and Grayscale being insolvent. I'll also break down for you how it can impact the BTC price, as well as the future of the overall crypto market. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this. Since the crash of FTX, crypto traders around the world have had a state of insecurity and asking never asked questions and raising concerns over their exchanges and wallets' transparencies. Even one of the early exchanges in the crypto world is the point of concern lately for its customers and crypto traders on a bigger scale, as Bitcoin is hitting its lowest value of past 24 months, due to the less confident investors and all the real-time drama happening in the crypto world for past few weeks. Coinbase Global Inc., a well-known crypto exchange launched in 2012, has been a hot topic over Twitter after a tweet from Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, which was later deleted after a series of replies from Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, correcting some facts quoted by Zhao from an article published 4 months ago by the well-known crypto magazine and news blog Bitcoinist.com regarding Coinbase Bitcoin reserves. On 21st of November 2022, in a later deleted tweet, Binance CEO Zhao pointed a finger at Coinbase Global Inc.'s Bitcoin reserves. Mr. Zhao tweeted, "So, Coinbase custody holds 635,000 BTC for Grayscale." Quoting an article from Yahoo Finance for reference, CZ added, "4 months ago, Coinbase, I assume exchange, has less than 600,000 BTC, with another reference to Bitcoin's article published 5 months ago. CZ was trying to point out the possibility of Coinbase being the next FTX. In response to CZ's tweet, Coinbase CEO Brian A. jumped into the debate indirectly and tweeted, "If you see FUD out there, remember, our financials are public. We're a public company," with a link to Coinbase's official shareholder letter published in Q3 of 2022. Brian further added, "We hold 2 million BTC, 39.9 billion worth as of 9/30. See our 10Q. And we all need to come together to build this industry in a responsible way going forward. Be wary of false information." Shortly after, CZ took down his tweet, and in further response to Coinbase CEO CZ tweet, "Brian Armstrong just told me the numbers in the articles are wrong," deleted the previous tweet. "Let's work together to improve transparency in the industry." That sounds like an embarrassing moment for CZ, no? But it sparked all new debate on Twitter with some new questions and concerns, such as, is there any insolvency chance of Coinbase or Grayscale? If not, what are the real numbers with demands of proof of reserve from not only Twitter users, but Grayscale investors and customers being on the list as well? For those who don't know what Grayscale is, it is the largest Bitcoin investment funds management firm founded in 2013 and based in New York, USA. Grayscale offers digital currency investing and cryptocurrency management services, and for that reason, you might be wondering, they must be storing their cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin assets at some exchange or wallet. Well, yes they do. There comes Coinbase Global Inc. and Grayscale partnership for Coinbase's reserve custody services, where Grayscale manages its reserves stored in crypto as well as in Bitcoins and blockchain wallet. Coinbase has been around since 2012, managing over 2 million Bitcoins, reportedly worth over $39.9 billion as of September 2022, which makes it the largest crypto exchange in the United States of America and the second largest in the world. Coinbase has been providing its reserve custody services to the top hedge funds management and financial firms where a company can keep its reserves safe with access through private keys and online access to manage reserves stored in blockchain network in a secure way. The developments in the crypto world over the period of past few months, especially FTX's crash cryptocurrencies graph, aren't looking positive in parallel. Grayscale Investments has seen the passenger of the same train where Bitcoin dropped to its 24 months lowest value, and Grayscale's GBTC, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust shares, doesn't seem to be matching accurately with the values of Bitcoin, which created an alarming situation between Grayscale and its investors. Firstly, FTX's crash and dubious numbers of Grayscale's GBTC shares and BTC inferiority raised the demands for proof of reserve from the investment giant, seeing the high number of requests from customers. On 19th of November 2022, Grayscale took to Twitter and the company refused to share proof of reserves, but tried its best to satisfy the investors within a thread of tweets where Grayscale Investments tweeted a note stating, "Due to recent events, investors are understandably inquiring deeper into their crypto investments. Custody of the digital assets underlying Grayscale's digital asset products is unaffected, and our products' digital assets remain safe and secure." However, things from the perspective of market analysis and experts doesn't look that normal, as Grayscale announced business as usual when Grayscale's sister company, Genesis Global Capital, suspended withdrawals from the network on 16th of November 2022 in the wake of the FTX crash. Furthermore, at the same time, Grayscale's flagship product GBTC is seen trading at a 37% of discount from its net asset value. Followed by the FTX smash on 25th of November 2022, Grayscale Investments owner, DCB Digital Currency Group, announced a $2 billion of debt on a company due to recent events in the crypto world dropping BTC value to its lowest in the past 2 years. Not only DCB became a victim of this crash, but the BTC price drop also had some major effects on Genesis Global Capital and Grayscale Investments. And now the company is looking forward to at least $1 billion of financial injection to make recovery from the debts. Being a publicly held company, Coinbase Global Inc. is supposed to make its records public, such as revenue and reserve of bitcoins. However, Coinbase cannot reveal the exact number of reserves publicly due to security reasons as per the official sources, while on the other end of exchanges, including Binance, has already shared their proof of reserves publicly. Well, but still, you have to put some faith in Coinbase, because it was in the space when no one was nowhere near. So, in my opinion, Coinbase is without a doubt one of the oldest exchanges, and I believe it is not going to be insolvent no matter what. The ultimate reason for this claim is how they have operated in the last few years. We have never before till now heard of anything like Coinbase being insolvent, even when the market was going through its worst back in 2016 and 2017. These are just rumors to create panic among investors and manipulate the market. But what if this happens? Well, it will be a disaster, to be honest. Reason why it will be a disaster is how the market reacts when a major player in the market collapses. We don't need to go into the deep past. Forget about Luna, 3AC, and 3-Arrow collapse. Take FTX and FTT token crash as an example. Since the FTX collapse, Bitcoin price is almost down over 25%. Now, the noticeable point is that when FTX collapse occurs, Alameda Crypto Holding was around $222.4 million. Expect BTC to be below $10,000, and it will create a lot of panic and doubts in the market, and millions of Bitcoin miners around the world will go bankrupt. After all, it will be highly unlikely for Bitcoin to reach a new all-time high in the next 2 years. In other words, if Grayscale and Coinbase collapse somewhere in the near future, don't expect a new all-time high for BTC before 2025. Well, as I said before, that's not going to happen anytime soon, and you don't need to panic as well. Now, you might have a question in mind. If this is going to happen, what kind of price action we can expect from BTC in the future? According to our chart analysis expert teams, BTC on 1-day timeframe chart is looking strong, and according to FIB retracement numbers, BTC price is trading below 0.23 points, and it can be considered a local bottom. However, if we look at the major support level on the 1-day time frame, it's around $13,000, and we are expecting by early 2023, BTC might reach this level. After touching this major support level, we are expecting a heavy upward movement, and by end of 2023, we are expecting BTC to be above $40,000. This is all for now. If you found this video informative and interesting, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button.